Carver started building manual hand-operated laboratory presses in 1912, and we have incorporated over 100 years of knowledge and experience in this product line. We manufacture unheated, heated, or heated and cooled models with maximum clamp forces up to 12, 25, or 30 tons in Platen sizes 6 inch by 6 inch, 9 by 9, 12 by 12, and 15 by 15. This is our 4122 Model 12-12H manual press. It features clamp force range up to 24 tons and 12 inch by 12 inch Platens heated up to 650 Fahrenheit or 343 Celsius with digital temperature control. Optional manual Platen cooling is also available on all our presses. Before closing the clamp, rotate the release valve knob clockwise until it is hand tight on our 12 and 25 ton models. 30 ton models are equipped with a lever rather than a knob. The cam release lever should be in the vertical position before the press is closed on our 30 ton models. Close the press by pumping the handle of the hydraulic unit. Please keep in mind that no hydraulic unit will maintain constant pressure without some additional pumping. This is especially true when pressing against a soft or yielding material. After the desired pressure is obtained, an occasional stroke or two will normally maintain the pressure. To open the press on our 12 and 25 ton models, rotate the release valve knob counterclockwise approximately 1/2 turn. The release valve stop should allow for less than 1 full turn of rotation. To open the 30 ton models, pull the cam release lever toward the operator to the horizontal position. Carver standard presses feature a precision analog gauge reading out the entire force range of the hydraulic unit. Each increment on the gauge represents 200 pounds clamp force. Low force gauges are also available for more accurate readings when applying low pressure, as well as digital gauges with an easy-to-read LCD display. Carver heated Platens are used to mold various materials at process temperatures up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Thermostatically controlled Platens include a mechanical thermostat mounted on each individual Platen. Digital controlled Platens include a 16th DIN digital temperature controller for each Platen mounted in a control enclosure. Each Platen is equipped with cartridge heater elements for maximum life and reliability. Press the on position of the power on-off switch, located on the front of the control panel of presses equipped with digital Platen controllers. Press the function key. Adjust the set point value using the raise and lower keys. When the desired set point is reached, press the function key again to return to normal display mode. Presses equipped with manual cooling will include stainless steel inlet and outlet hoses for your cooling water and air supply, and to connect your drain line. Keep in mind you will need to provide an open drain properly vented for steam for safety. The model and serial number of your press will be stamped on a metal tag located on the base of your press near the hydraulic unit.